You suck. Ban that bitch. Ban that bitch. Listen, I don't want to play this game. Be talk shit to. Ban anybody talking shit to me. Just fucking ban them. Just fucking ban. I hate this shit, man. Like, this is why I hate playing these fucking games on stream. This is why I stopped playing these games on stream for years. Listen, yeah, I know I'm fucking mad. Before somebody, oh, now he's mad. I am mad. I hate this fucking boss. I hate this mechanic. I hate this fucking bullshit. It plays like shit, man. And it pisses me the fuck off. Oh, I messed up. Let me get over to him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just let me get away from you. Please let me just get away from you. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now I can't hit you over here either. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my. Let me get away from you. Holy fuck. Got him. I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Good. Somehow that worked. He hits me with his elbow, bro. Like, he hit me with his fucking elbow. Okay. Okay. Run away. Oh, fuck. It's one of these, too. I'm just gonna line of sight this shit. What the fuck? Please just die. Thank God. I fucking hate you. Like, I'm so tired. I hate you so much. Get the fuck out of here. What a trash boss.